What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe. So shout out to all the DD Nation that's rocking with me. Also all of my high rollers. If y'all haven't heard by now, we launched our first community driven project, Vegas Inu Token. Y'all come get tapped in with us at Vegas Inu Token on Twitter. Our community is growing fast, organically, and we got some very, very big things in the pipeline. So come take a look. Also, real quick, let's do a refresh on this. We got a few things, big things that are surprises coming for the community, but also a few things you can see that are taking place right now. So shout out to one of our community members for taking his Vegas Inu token winnings and deciding to send them to the burn wallet. So, burning and supply, we are hyper deflationary. Also, 2% reflections, 3% towards liquidity, 7% marketing. And one of the cool things about this project is there's a burn mechanism that also receives those 2% reflections. So more and more tokens are being sucked out of the circulating supply, making each and every single token that is left more rare, more valuable as the demand increases. So shout out to Clay, bro. Again, showing some love.
If Wanda comes in today, it's staged. If Wanda comes in today, it is staged, Bronson. I'll agree with you on that. What is a? Oh my gosh. There's no grays in the chat. CD Wit grabbing that green name. Oh, look, DecemberDeMarco's in here. Shout out to Clay and all the bros as well. DecemberDeMarco, absolutely. Follow that guy right there, guys. Click on his YouTube channel and follow that guy. If you're in here right now and you don't follow DecemberDeMarco, make sure you do it. Moji with 5 green names.
So shout out to Clay, bro, man. Big shout out to everybody supporting the Vegas Inu token movement, and just, those that are rocking with me, man. I truly appreciate y'all's support. So also, we got a logo rebrand taking place right now. Number 2 with the sunglasses appears to be what the community wants. Take a look at this vote right here. You can see majority of the votes are for the sunglasses. We got 57%. We are also running a poll inside of the Telegram community, and it looks the same way. The sunglasses logo is winning. The original one is in second place, and the third one, the red chip. So come join us, but take a look, y'all, what we got going on with Shiba Inu. So $100 monthly investment turns to $27 million in October. Also, all links for Vegas Inu token will be in the description section of this video. So investing in cryptocurrencies can be quite a roller coaster, as their prices are notorious for their unpredictable surges and plunges. Nevertheless, there exists a straightforward yet potent strategy that has consistently worked wonders for long-term investors. The practice of dollar cost averaging. This is what I tell y'all about all the time. Short-term people usually make more money in the bear market when things are going down, but over the long run, long-term investors win almost every single time. So dollar cost averaging is a very important strategy. You get to take advantage of different prices, as the project fluctuates, as it has different volatility, taking it up, taking it down. You get to take advantage of all these different prices. And usually over a period of time, taking advantage of those low prices, you usually come out to a lower dollar cost average or lower price that you originally bought into, or would have bought into had you just, risk buying at the top. So this is a really good strategy that a lot of people in investing follow. In this article, we will delve into the remarkable success story of Shiba Inu, illustrating how a mere monthly investment of $100 could have turned into a staggering $27 million. That might be some people's strategy for Vegas Inu token. We're so brand new with a community just like Shiba Inu's at the very beginning, probably even stronger. This thing could go some places. Not financial advice, but dollar cost averaging is an investment approach wherein individuals routinely allocate funds to a specific asset at fixed intervals, irrespective of the prevailing market conditions. This strategy is particularly favored by long-term investors aiming to mitigate the impacts of market volatility. Renowned figures like Warren Buffett have harnessed DCA to accumulate stocks. Crypto enthusiasts such as Michael Saylor have also adeptly employed it to amass digital assets like Bitcoin. We know Warren Buffett is firm on the dollar cost averaging, also value investing, buying it when the price is cheap and, continuing to hold it for a period of time. So Shiba Inu's DCA triumph. By drawing upon data from Crypto DCA, We can vividly witness how a modestly monthly investment of $100 in Shiba Inu has the potential to transform someone into a multimillionaire over the span of 3 years. A cumulative total of $3,600 would have channeled into SHIB. At the time of this analysis, the portfolio's valuation has skyrocketed to nearly $27 million. Y'all think about that. $3,600 just from dollar cost averaging in the right project, being patient, diamond-handed, could eventually ended up to $27 million. This represents an extraordinary surge of 1.1 million percent as corroborated by Crypto DCA. Shiba Inu currently trades at that 506918 with a 2.55% daily surge. The asset had been witnessing a price rut for quite some time. However, the ongoing rally led by Bitcoin has pushed SHIB as well. The DCA method operates on a fundamental principle. That is, when an asset's price is high, investors' purchasing power is constrained, resulting in the acquisition of fewer units of the asset per dollar invested, meaning that if it's more expensive, $100 will get you less of the token than it would if the token price was cheaper. Conversely, when the price is low, the same monetary input secures a more substantial share of the asset. Over time, this approach results in a favorable average cost per share when compared to the vagaries of attempting to time the market. In the majority of instances, the outcome has been remarkably positive. It's essential to acknowledge that making precise forecasts about market trends is an immensely challenging feat. Therefore, adopting a cautious approach and adhering to well-defined investment strategies is often a wiser choice. In hindsight, investors with a relatively lower risk appetite can methodically amass wealth over the long term. This is exemplified by Shiba Inu's astounding journey from $100 monthly investment to a $27 million investment. So this takes a look at basically $100 investment from December 2020 up into now September 2023 would have basically got you around $26 million. Absolutely crazy, y'all. That's the power of dollar cost averaging. I want y'all to really pay attention to this graph here. If you see this graph, notice each one of these little Shiba Inu dots is each month a $100 investment. So over this entire period, that's 36 months, I believe, and buying at just each level, $100 a month at each level, boom, 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 boom. Eventually, you would have took advantage of all those different price levels, but also we would have been able to, be in with enough skin in the game when it hit all-time high to really see some real gains. But just want to share that with y'all, the importance of dollar cost averaging. Now, we got some good news in the market. Let's take a look at this. First time in a very, very long time, we've seen this number hit over a 1.12 trillion. Well, we seen recently, we were stuck at 1.1. That was like the high point we seen. Then it dropped down to 1.09 for a long while. We were seeing resistance there. Then we dropped all the way down to under $1 trillion market cap. Then bounced back up to that 0.9. Then we finally broke the 1.1 trillion, but we didn't get above that point. Now we are finally above $1.12 trillion market cap. That is very bullish. People are looking at this as a sign that we are nearing the bull market. Remember, another thing I told y'all, as this number gets closer to that 1.5, really maybe 1.75 trillion dollar market cap, I believe we're going to see FOMO kick in to the overall crypto market and prices go, further than a lot of people expected. So take a look right now. We got Bitcoin at 29,580, up 3.2% and 10% for the week. But take a look at Bitcoin's high today. We seen it break $30,000, $30,035.55. Absolutely bullish, y'all. Shout out to Bitcoin. Ethereum at 1601, up 2.4%. We got BNB at 212, up 0.5%. XRP recently won its lawsuit against the SEC. This is extremely bullish for crypto. This is why I believe we see, this little pump or rally that we see taking place in the market now because of that victory with SEC Gary Gensler, chairman, basically surrendering, as the CEOs of XRP said, to this lawsuit. So that is, very bullish because it opens up the door for other cryptocurrencies to feel more confident that they won't be labeled as a security. It gives also a blueprint or a roadmap for other projects to follow in the steps of XRP on, how they were able to, make sure they weren't labeled as a security. So Solana, 26.76, up 7.4%. Cardano, 25 cents, up 1.9%. Doge at 5 cents, up 1.8%. Tron at 9 cents. Coin at 208. Matic at 53 cents, up 3.8%. Then we got DOT at 372, up 2%. BCH 239 up 5.2%, Litecoin at 63.59 up 3%, Link at 758 up 3.9%, and then we got Shib at 506908 up almost a little more, 0.6%, a little more than 0.5% right now. So 19th place by market cap, y'all. Shiba Inu is, slacking amongst these other projects that we see. But, you got to think about it. When Bitcoin pumps, all the major blue chips are going to pump first. And then we likely start to see, after people begin to take profit, we start to see money flow into some of these other smaller cap cryptocurrencies compared to Bitcoin. So we got Bone Token at 73 cents, up 1.65% in the last 24 hours. Volume increased 24% at 5.1 million. Let's take a look at Bad Idea AI, sitting at 704654, down 4.4% in the last 24 hours. Volume up 5.3% at $1.2 million. And then Leash, now last but not least, 292, up 1.7% in the last 24 hours, with volume increased 5.18% at 696,000. So that is our update for Shiba Inu for the moment. Let's take a quick look at the Vegas Inu token chart, y'all. So for those of y'all that have been, following along, y'all know what's going on over here. But for those that haven't, take a look at this, y'all. We had a very nice pump. And what you see taking place right now is a healthy correction. Prices break out, it eventually has to breathe. It can't just continue to shoot up and up and up. We had all-time highs, almost for a week straight, basically, continue to, hit a higher level. So eventually at some point, the price is going to, take a breather before it takes off again. So not financial advice, but this is an excellent buying opportunity. We're down 12% on the day. Now, y'all know, even in my other videos, I tell y'all 10% discount or more, that's when you should be looking to pull the trigger. Now, sometimes I like to wait for 15%, but it was around 16%, but the community stepped in and pushed the floor up a little higher. So looking really nice right now. We are sitting at a $1.73 million market cap with $147,000 in locked liquidity. That is very, very strong for a project to be this early, this small, with only 408 holders, to have this much in liquidity. That's an indication, y'all, we got something good here. Also, overall token supply was 1 trillion. Now we're already burning tokens with the burn feature. We got 997 billion tokens left in supply. Imagine what's going to happen to the value of those other tokens as this supply continues to decrease. So we got some bulls stepping in right now as we speak. Shout out to the bullish people. But yeah, right now we got the price at 5017.73. Let me drag it over so y'all can take a look as well. So you see the price right there at that 5017.33. Remember this, it will not be this level for long. Y'all are hearing it now. You're hearing it now. Don't act like I ain't trying to tell you. Now, that's all we got for this video. Again, links to Vegas Inu token will be in the description section. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are out.